Good afternoon guys. Flex ko yan kung anong laman sa loob ng bag. Ng SM bag. Or blue bag. Yan, meron silang 6 na Lucky Me. 4 na dilata corned beef, beef loaf, sardines, and another sardines na bonus. At saka meron silang miswa. Yung iba miswa, yung iba sutanghon guys, kasi wala silang enough na 300 na para isakto ko pantay-pantay kayo. May coffee, may elbow macaroni, at saka may super Q na bihon. Yung iba excellent bihon kasi nga hindi wala silang enough na 300 kapak na so super Q. So yung iba super Q, yung iba excellent. Okay guys, ayun. So yung iba naman sutanghon instead of miswa, kasi wala nga sila, like I said, wala silang masyadong stock na to make it 300 ganon. Kasi guys, pasalamatan nyo na lang yung kunting maabot kong sa inyong tulong. Ayan o, ayan, mayawang Diyos, may kasunod pa. Hopefully, thank you guys, thank you, hope you like it, enjoy your little grocery from above. Okay guys, thank you so much, God bless you all, baboos.